What's up, people? You're lucky. You're lucky now. Because the bile and the sickness, one thing that's good about rage and anger and being upset, it's kind of the adrenaline flow that rips through my body has cured me of all my ills. I'm feeling pretty fucking good right now. Physically, mentally is another fucking case. What do I have to do now? What do I have to do? I build a website. I tell you people to embrace the horror. I'm telling you that I haven't traded a big size of anything in a long time. That's when you gotta milk me for all that I'm worth. What's the matter with you? I'm gonna come to your house and pull a fucking Cape Fear on your face. I'm gonna just bite your fucking head. What am I gonna do? It's over now. It's pointless now for me to even talk anymore. I give you the Akamai. What am I saying? What am I saying? Considering with the Apple and the Google and the RIM, you might as well buy some, and the Amazon, you might as well buy some Akamai. They're going to have something positive to say. The stock's doing really well. And you know what? I'm not going to hang on to the comment. I'm only going to buy 20 contracts. The stock went from 14 to 17. Is that good enough for you? Oh, wait, no, wait. All right, so then we're talking about the OMTR. Here's a company that nobody even knows about. Nobody talks about. They've fallen off the face of the earth. There was a Google rumor about 2 years ago that they were going to take over OMTR. The stock went from $4 to $35, which I got you into back at $8. We were loving that stock at $8. Got you out at 17. We got you back in at 20. Went to 30. What do I have to do? I told you. Get yourself some $10 calls at 40 cents. Did you listen? I come into the chat room. What? You know, I said, what do I even come in there anymore? You guys aren't even paying attention to me. What do I have to do? Come on now. I know it's hard. I know it's, is it because you want to learn for yourself?
I want to learn how to do this for myself. I want to be able to read charts. Oh, the 10-day crossing moving average on the Bollinger Band stochastics. Oh, yeah, it's looking good. I'm going to execute my trade now and backtest it.
Backtest it? Backtesting it? Fuck backtesting! You know what backtesting is? When you read a brochure about a mutual fund and it says, past results do not ensure future profits, or whatever the hell it says. Backtest my ass! I'm handing you the money! Here, just take the money. Take the money. Forget about learning it for yourself. Just come to my goddamn chat room. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Did I mention when the stocks that I actually, and these are companies that I actually made a little bit of money on. Because you know what? The best thing about trading is even when I make money, I lose money. Because these are the trades that I should be making so much money on that I can withstand a few losses here and there. Oh, we haven't even got into the pot. The pot. Everything about that stock looked like it was going to fucking roll over. So I said, you know what would be funny if I buy it here? And then I said, you know what? I'm trying to go against what I would normally do, and I'm doing the opposite of the opposite. Maybe that'll work. And of course, it didn't work. I took a $500 loss that day. I think that was Monday. What was that? What was that, about $74? Came into the chat room and I said, you might want to buy some pot right now. I sold it here at 74 and a half. And then you know what? It went down to 73. Granted, you're probably cursing, that goddamn Kroll. What does he know? I'm sitting there, embrace the horror, this, embrace the horror that. I'm going to come to his house and kick his ass. Oh, wait a second. It's only up 20 points since that day. Oh, wait, so now what? Let's give it a name. Let's give it a name. Why are we rallying? Oh, we're rallying because they're going to do some plan. Remember the last time we were sitting around waiting for a plan to pass? And then it finally passed? That's when the market crashed. So what makes this any different is what I want to know. All I know is there's no way I'm going to be playing the gap correctly. If I buy some calls here, chances are we'll sell off. If I buy some puts here, NASDAQ futures will be lock limit. The NASDAQ will be NASDAQ will be dished out. Everybody will be partying in the streets except your man right here. No matter what I do. So what I'm gonna do is nothing. I ain't doing shit. What I'm gonna do, see, the thing is, I want to buy the FAS calls. I want to buy something so I'm not left out in the cold. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What's it? What? There's nothing I could do. Whatever I do, like on the OMTR. Okay, I was saying I was ready to do something real stupid on the OMTR. Here's a company that legitimately I like what they do. The sound that what they do is they help other websites make money, which is something you want to. Everybody wants to learn how to make money on the web, and they help you do that. The more you analyze the company, I'm sure you're thinking, wait a minute, doesn't Google do what they do for free? They do a little bit of what they do for free, and that's possibly why the company got destroyed over the last 6 or 8 months. But here's the story. So they come out with their earnings. They miss by a penny, and they give downward guidance. Okay, let's take a look at another stock, okay, that missed their number and gave downward guidance. Its name is Hartford Financial. That stock is responding accordingly. Accordingly, it's getting slaughtered. But Omniture, Omniture comes out with the same kind of report. You want me? Maybe I'm not educated enough to read between the lines of what's going on there. So they come out, and I'm so happy because I'm sitting there with $10 calls that are expiring in 2 weeks. So I'm thinking, thank God the stock's not gapping down a lot. So I put my offer out there to try to get out of some of these calls flat. And then I see the stock starting to fly. So, I pulled my offer. Oh, man, good thing I didn't get that print. So then you go, so I'm in at 50 cents, and then I sell them at 85 and 90. And then, woo, the stock goes up another point. I could have got it at $1.15, $1.20. How could the stock, why? It went from $9 and hit 11.15. There's no way to learn that, people. There's no way to figure that shit out, man. Don't you understand? Don't you understand? You better start making money because this shit is not going to last. Oh, wait, it's going to last, but I'm not going to last. That's it. I'm just going to open up my vein, get into the bathtub, and just sit there and bleed to death. What? There's nothing. I'm running out of options. I'm running out of options because even when I make money, I somehow lose money. Because, okay, so here, I made close to 50% on my options, really. Oh, big deal. So I bought them at 50 cents, I sold some at 85, and I sold some at $1. So what did I do? I made $500 on one contract at 300, so it's $850. That pales in comparison to the 20 grand I lost on the Hartford Financial about a month and a half ago. So, like I said, even when I make money, I'm still losing money. But you have to understand what I said to you. Now that I'm trading 100, 200 share lots, playing like a video game with no fear, no problem making money now, every trade. I did 31 trades on Tuesday, I think it was. 31 trades I did. $31 trades I did on Tuesday. You know how many times I lost money? Once. That's remarkable. That's remarkable. You know how much money I made that day? $1,200 again. Sometimes I'm glued to $1,200. Oh, that's so awesome! You made $1,200 in one day. You should be real happy. Mind you, I still haven't recovered from May when I lost all that money shorting pot. I think it was pot, PCX, and the dry shifts. On those 3 trades alone, I destroyed my account. Remember that video when I was saying, I'm not doing this anymore? I still haven't made that money back. So, it's a revolving door of fucking chaos. That's what this is. Make money, lose money, make money. Oh, I'm so... but if you can make money, then just keep doing what you do. I'm like a poker player, you see? I can play well for a few... I can make it to the other table, get past this, and then you have the blow up. That's it. It's inevitable. It's what's going to happen. That's why I refuse to blow up. That's why I only bought 20 contracts on the OMTR. That's why I only bought 10 contracts on the Akamai. I didn't want to destroy myself anymore. I can't afford it. So what am I going to do? Oh, the countdown is on. The countdown is on, people. And if you see me at that trade show next week, okay? I'm going to the trade show in New York. Now, I've been barred to go there with cameras and have a good time, but I'm going to be outside. If you see me, make sure the first thing you say to me when you see me is, I've embraced the horror and I've made money using your service. Whatever the fucking service it is. Because if you're not making money, if you're not embracing the horror, I'm going to just bite your fucking faces off. Seriously.